So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can just enable the ultimate performance mode on Windows 10. So first of all, you need to update your Windows to the latest version. And so for enabling the ultimate performance mode in Windows 10, you need to copy this code from here. Means you have to copy this code from the description and just simply put it on the PowerShell. Okay, so just I'm opening the PowerShell. For that you need to just right click on the Windows logo, and now here you will see an option Windows PowerShell admin. Open this, and now you need to just copy that code in the PowerShell. So just copy it, and now just you need to paste it over here. Now press Ctrl plus V, and after that you need to just simply press enter key. So as you can see, Power Scheme GUID, this is now enabled and ultimate performance mode on Windows 10. Okay, so after that you need to just switch to ultimate performance mode. So for that you need to just open the settings on Windows 10, and after that you need to just go to the system, and here you will see an option power and sleep. Okay, so just you need to open this option, and in related settings you will get an option additional power settings. You need to just open this, and from here you need to just click on this arrow icon, and from here you need to just select this ultimate performance mode. Okay, now just change plan settings, and now just turn this all to never. Okay, and now just save changes. So from here you can just enable the ultimate performance mode, and it's very easy. So guys, it's not necessary, just you need to just only open the PowerShell, then on copy the command over there. You can also try this on command prompt, means you can also copy the code on command prompt, then you can just press enter. So for that just you need to run as administrator the command prompt and just copy that code again there. Now after that press enter. So this will also enable the ultimate performance mode on Windows 10. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.